Okay, so I'm Maverick. My lab partner is Donald Johnston, and we decided to do a project on the four segment, well, 4-digit, 7 segment LED display. We wanted to do a sort of calculator thing. So what we did is we were going to get the board working, and then we had UART set up to take input, which is why putty's right there. Um, and then it would pretty much print out the number as it's being typed onto the LEDs, and then would, after you either hit 4 or you hit enter, it would pretty much allow you to enter the second number, then whatever symbol you're doing, then it would take that symbol, use it to multiply, divide, add, subtract, whatever, the two numbers in order, and then return it as a whole number, at least was the hope. However, we couldn't really figure out the full addressing of the board, or at least that's where we think the problem currently lies. So went through, set up ready and clear outputs that should theoretically work. This is what's showing instead of ready, which makes me sad. And then when you go and you start typing numbers, so I'll go 1, no change. 2, you can see a little flash. 3, those change to 4. Type 4, those change to H. Now, why? I don't really know. We tried contacting some people to help. They couldn't really help us too much. Um, so it's like, I'm pretty happy that this did indeed end up sort of working. I mean, to my knowledge, the calculator part should work. I've tried it in UART before, and it came out fine, but we just couldn't figure out the LEDs. So, yeah. Otherwise, what would happen is, say you're starting anew, you type the number 1, this digit becomes 1, you go to type another one, next digit becomes 1, this one becomes a new one, so on, so forth. You hit 4. Um, then it'll reset, you go to type again, or you hit the enter button, either or, depending on if you're actually going all the way or hit stopping early. Then it would reset, you're able to type it all in again, ask you for modifier, depending on what it is. It would say, for example, plus or mult or something to represent it. We didn't get that far to actually give everything each multiplicate or each symbol their own light set up. There we go. Because we couldn't really get the fucking lights to work, but it is set up to, or at least it would go ahead and output whatever the result is. However, like I said, we couldn't figure out the lights. Code is there, try to get everything to work with Putty, but it is what it is.